Hey, yep, I'm doing another review video. So, I just recently bought this car. It is a 2009 Volkswagen EOS, or EOS, one or the other. And this is Volkswagen's very special hardtop convertible. It is a really nice car. Now, as you can see, there's some rash and corrosion going on with the rims. But yeah, this car has an aggressive look. It's a convertible, and it's got a whole lot of features inside. This one, let's go inside. This one has a white interior. It's also a 6-speed manual. Got 2 rear bucket seats. And yes, this top does go down. Now, this is a one-of-a-kind car. Why? Despite being a convertible, it has a fully functional sunroof. Let me show you. With this button right here, I can push it, and the sunroof is fully functional. I can't believe it. And then you can reel it back up. You can have it tilted or close it. Then the silver one right here. Ready for this? This is the coolest. Look at that. Oh. Now the car does have to be on when you put the top down. But yeah. Here we are. Let's go out and check it. Wow. Hard top to no top. And it looks crazy good. It's also got nice chrome LED lights. Or like, you know, the housing is chrome for the LED lights. See that? Really nice. Opening the trunk. Stylish. The roof, obviously, right here. And then there my stuff. So. And it seals on its own. It's got a little motor that does that. Very cool. Let's pop the hood. If I can reach it. Nope, I can't reach it. So right here, little lever. Now, this car has the 2.0 TSI that they use for the Volkswagen GTI. This is, I think, what would be used in a Mark V Golf GTI. So, yeah. It's a 2-liter turbocharged engine. It's an inline 4. So, yeah. Very nice. Got plenty of power. And I actually read online that it gets its maximum torque at 1,800 RPM. So let's go for a drive. That blow-off valve is so cool. I want to make it louder. Let's hear it. So, I'm going to discuss the features while I get out of this garage. It's got power seats on the driver's side, and it's got this thing where it like moves the this little ball on your back. It's really cool. It's got heated seats for both front seats, and it's got a three blink, one touch signal. Well, I don't know how to call it, but you just tap it and it blinks 3 times. It's very nice. It's got a very nice stereo. I have it off right now because I don't want to play music, but it's got a lot of bass. A lot of bass. 6-speed manual. This said earlier. Got one-touch power windows for all windows, even the back ones. I mean, right? And it does it on its own. Push it down, voila. It's so cool. The only thing that isn't one touch is this one. This one closes all the windows at once. So, yeah. Oh boy. And it's got power locks. You can open the trunk with the key. I think that's nice. I plan on putting remote start on this car, but yeah. Oh yeah, this car also has auto AC with dual climate control. Pretty cool. Now, when I say this car rides smooth, it rides as smooth as that Bentley. No joke. I mean, this thing is amazing. I love it. It rides amazing. And it's got plenty of power. That was the second gear pull. So I'm in love with this car.